Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2026 Scout 240 XSF. You'll see in the photos the boat has the black hull sides with the Midnight Edition. For power, we set it up with a V8 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. Nice big swim platform across the back of the 240 XSF. Plenty of room to board from either side. You have a transom seat that folds into the transom, maximizing your cockpit space. Topside bilge access, nice walk-through transom door. Designated cooler storage underneath the helm seat. Helm seat also has your flip-down armrests, adjustable bolsters, nice low-profile console for great visibility. This boat is equipped with the 1243 Garmin. You have a tilt wheel, digital throttle and shift, Fusion stereo, and this is the upgraded stereo system, so you got a nice big subwoofer here, amp, and they are JL audio speakers, lockable glove box, nice 3/4 height on your windshield with just a little bit of a brake to give you fresh airflow. As we make our way around the console, we do have a head compartment. One of the great features about the Scout 240 XSF is this nice lounger that you get. It's a double wide lounger, designated storage. This is insulated, so you can use it as a fish box with a drain built in. Also seats 2 people. You have forward-facing seating here in the bow with removable backrests and cushions. Your storage lockers are gas strut assisted and all finished fiberglass. And you also have a designated anchor locker in the bow, as well as your rod holder, cup holder combos. That's a real quick look at our 2026 Scout 240 XSF. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.